Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and today we are going to create something really beautiful. Stay till the end of the video because I think that you're gonna love this project. Welcome. I get inspiration from a natural leaf, and this is what I did. And also I drew this beautiful whimsical flower just from my whimsical mind, and this is the project we are finishing today, adding all this beautiful adhesive with diamonds. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you stay till the end of the video. Welcome back. Hello, my creative friends. Welcome back to my channel. This will be part 2 of the episode in which I show you how to DIY a box of a perfume. The result is great, and as you can see, I'm still painting some of the swatches that I have around with beautiful whimsical flowers. I already have a full collection of them. So the idea for today is I am gonna give the box another touches, and when I look up on my stash, I found these two beautiful and amazing adhesive diamond wrap. I find out that this is exactly the same blue that I have on my box. But I can also use or give my box a touch of pink. That will be really, really nice. So let's start. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to decide where do I want this adhesive diamond wrap, and I strongly believe that I want to have it on here, upper part, and also on the bottom part. So what I'm doing is I'm removing the gloss. Actually, these pads are amazing. I got them from Michael's and they were on sale only for $2. And I love them because one of the sides is a sponge and the other side is actually the file. Because I realized that it was hard to adhere whatever it was on top of this beautiful and sturdy and super glossy surface. The adhesive already has glue, but we're going to improve the grip because we want this project to be on our shelf for a long time, right? I never thought that this box was going to be so nice, and also the diamonds are trending right now. If you go on social, now I need to do the bottom, and I'm going to do the same. So now I know that it's 10 centimeters times 6.5. So I'm gonna follow the same cutting that I have here, and then I'm gonna follow 6 times 5, which is right here. Let me mark it very well. And so I need to follow the marks, and this is what I have. Super easy and satisfying. Something that you can do when you have a really shiny and glossy surface is that you can come with some sanding pads or some sanding or files, and you can sand the surface a tiny bit to get rid of the gloss. And that way you're going to be sure that the glue is really going to adhere to the surface, and also your sticker or your adhesive, whatever you are using. You can see here that it's easy for the stickers or appliques to detach from the glossy surface. It's really easy that happens. So that's why I filed the little area, which was very glossy. Now it's kind of rough. There we go. Here we are. So this is what I have till now. It's tremendously beautiful. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give the box little touches of pink. And I was thinking to add these diamonds on the window. Now I have these two, and I really want to apply some glue just in case on both of the sides of the window. And I'm gonna go here and there, and here's where my diamonds are going now. I'm gonna make sure that I have this side like with the little threads popping in the window, like inside, and I'm gonna have the second one in the same direction, so which is this way. It's already that way. The glue is there. How a little detail can make a difference in your project. And this is what we have. Now the only part that I have, let's say plain, is the back, but I don't want this to be super extra charged. And I was thinking for this part maybe a sticker, but right now I'm just going to leave it like so, because I also want to remember what it was originally. And it says eau de perfume, Italian bergamot, neroli flower, sun-drenched cedar, bergamot, Italian flowers. Neroli is in French and is in also in English, so this is the brand. Now I'm gonna show you how can you get inspiration for natural elements and place them on your cards. So I hope you try this fun activity, because I strongly believe that you're gonna love it. In this card, or this paint swatch, that is the second one inside the box, I cut part of this paragraph that says whatever is important to you, whatever brings meaning to your life, may this be your special path. So yes, this is probably part of my special path. I'm gonna use yellow, green, and probably white and black. So let's use those 4 colors. And remember that it makes me super happy that you are here in my channel. So don't forget to subscribe and to leave me a comment. So let's count how many leaflets these compound leaves have. So this is actually called Schefflera, also umbrella plant. It looks like an umbrella, you see? And this is a digitated leaf. It's like the fingers, digits the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, exactly 10. Has the full green leaves, and this is also on the borders, on the two sides, and then the yellow takes place till it becomes completely yellow. These are the surprising things that nature offers to us. And so this, apparently, there is a pattern in here in which these two leaves are completely green. I'm gonna paint them right now. These two are completely green. All right, and then this one has all this part of green, and this has two sides. Like so. This is completely yellow. That has green on the surface. And this has only a tiny bit. This has a little parts here and there. A touch of black, it's always important because you can have like a definition of what you have in your paint, like a shadow on some of them. So we can have some relief or some sense of the 3D of the leaf. And they're all coming to the same point. So they come here and then go out. All right, so this is what we have. And then I always like to give my drawings a touch of white because it is actually the light. So if the shadow is this way, so I'm gonna do white on here, on there, little touches. In this case, light is coming from here. This is the card I did for today, and the inspiration was this actual leaf. I'm gonna try to do the little veins in the center, but using only a black pen. But working when the paint is still wet gives it a little bit of relief because you can see like a little crevice where the pen is going through, and I like the effect. Let me show you. So this is what I have, and that is the inspiration. So let me wrap this video up, placing all my cards together back into the box. So these are the two new creations for today. Oh, look at this. Remember, I did this in the previous episode because I had another window. So I'm going to allow them to dry. And this is the front. There. And of course, as it's all about flowers, inside I have whimsical flowers that I have been creating on the way. And I'm going to show you here, said all you need are flowers. I still don't know what else I'm going to do with all these swatches, but for now it is a catalog that I can come and visit. It is a place where I can find inspiration and where I can find memories, color combinations, different flowers.
And if you make it till the end, thank you so much. Don't go away without subscribing to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up and of course, comment down below. I'll see you very soon in my next creative episode. Bye friends. Bye bye. Bye friends.
So this is the project and I hope you enjoy it.